Hey, this is Georgia from flowersmama.com, and today I'm going to show you how we schedule our posts on later.com on this website, which is makes our life easier when we want to schedule our posts for social media. Here you can see that you can schedule all at the same time for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. Here is our media library where we have our photos and videos. Here is the calendar. Right now you have the weekly view. You can see the weekly view. Here is the monthly view. And here you can change. Here you can see from Monday the 2nd through Sunday the 8th, and you can change. Here we have some posts that are scheduled for next week. And the idea for us is to post 3 or 4 times per day. We want to post 9, 1. We're also thinking of doing some another post at 6 and another one at 9 between 9 and 9:30. So let's get down to it. For next week, we already have set up for 9 a.m. So you can see the post on all the social media, on the 4 social medias. We have at 9 a.m. and also at 1 p.m. One thing to have clear is that if you want to schedule all at the same time, you need to have and turn it on right here. You click on that little plus sign. You got to make sure that they all are on. You can notice what one is off. You can see that it's grayed out, and here you can see that it's on. So the process is very simple. It's just drag and drop. So we're gonna choose this one right here. So let's do 1 for 6. Okay. One thing that this website makes everything easier for us is that we have a save caption and tags right now. So let's first see what we write what we're gonna say, and then we can see what we have saved here. So for this one, we're gonna say okay, we can say pink pink custom areas. Okay. So it will make your kit look pink customer will make your bouquets look beautiful. Do 3 dots, and now we go to our save caption that we have. If you want to do tag suggestion, you can just type it here, and you can put flowers suggest, and it'll give you the relevance, and also it'll give you the tags. But we have some caption and tags saved here, so you can also name it. You can see hashtag number 1, hashtag number 2. So but we're gonna use this one. You just click on it, and there you go. It's that simple. We already have these tags saved, with the information from our website. We click on next. There you go. Here you can see how it's going to look for each social media. So on Facebook, it's going to look like this. Okay, Facebook, we don't want the tags, so we're gonna delete the tags. We're gonna leave it like that. For Instagram, everything is fine. For Pinterest, we had to select our board, so we selected it, and also we are over for 60 characters. So we're gonna delete this one. We're gonna delete fall flowers. We're gonna delete Christmas flowers, and we're gonna delete Christmas. There you go. We're gonna delete this one too, and delete flower Instagram. We copy and paste. We're gonna copy and paste the website here. This is how it's looking for Twitter so far. So we're gonna delete these two right here. That's a lot of. We're gonna delete from here. Check out our website. There you go. Delete some of it. And we only need to delete one more character. There you go. Okay, so far everything is looking good. If by any chance you want to edit the way that the picture looks, you can just click on here and you can choose whichever you want. It depends on the social media, but right now for that one was looking good for Instagram. But let's say here for Pinterest, you have here the template for Pinterest, so you just fix it. You choose that one and you click on OK, and create pose, and there you go. It's that simple. Okay, we're gonna do another one. We're gonna drag this one, and let's do it for around 9:30. Okay, if you want to change the time, you can just click on here, change it. There you go, 9:30. We go to our save tag. And we can put a caption here that will say can this okay. Can this bouquet bring a smile on you? You just gonna delete it from Facebook. Instagram, everything looks good. For Pinterest, same thing. We're gonna delete these two and we should be fine. There you go. For Twitter, we have a little bit more that we need to delete. So we can just, for this one, we're not gonna put the website. We don't wanna put the website on every post that we put on Twitter. We can just delete all this. And we can delete give this. And there you go. Create post. Now, all those posts are going to be automatic. They're already scheduled and they're going to be posted automatically. We don't have to do anything else. Okay, this is our work and we can do it ahead. And this is why Later is this app, this website Later is really good. Okay, so if you have any question, let me know. Okay, bye.